Carbohydrates often get cast in a negative light, but when chosen wisely, they are one of the most powerful tools for building an anti-aging diet. The goal isn't to drown in refined sugar or snack endlessly on pastries. It's to select carbs that stabilize blood sugar, provide essential fiber, and deliver a steady stream of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, healthy carbohydrate sources like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and starchy vegetables are staples in many of the world's longest-living populations. The trick is learning how to integrate them into daily meals in ways that maximize their benefits without tipping into excess. Whole grains are one of the easiest and most effective places to start. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat are not just fillers, they're nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, B vitamins, and trace minerals like magnesium and selenium, which play key roles in cellular repair and longevity. A simple switch from refined white rice to brown or black rice, or from white bread to whole grain sourdough, can improve gut health and reduce inflammation over time. For breakfast, a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with fruit and nuts provides slow-release energy, supporting both mental clarity and satiety through the morning. Legumes deserve equal praise. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in both complex carbohydrates and plant-based proteins, creating a dual benefit for aging bodies: stable blood sugar and muscle preservation. Their fiber content feeds gut bacteria, leading to the production of short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation and strengthen immunity, two of the most important factors in slowing biological aging. A lentil stew or a chickpea salad can easily become a daily staple, providing not just comfort but also longevity benefits in every spoonful. Fruits add the colorful, antioxidant-rich layer to this strategy. Berries, apples, pears, bananas, and tropical fruits like mango and papaya deliver natural sugars paired with fiber, ensuring slow absorption and minimal blood sugar spikes. More importantly, fruits are dense in polyphenol and vitamin C, both of which combat oxidative stress, a driver of cellular aging. Incorporating 2 to 3 servings of fruit each day, whether as snacks, smoothie additions, or dessert alternatives, brings vibrancy to both diet and health outcomes. Starchy vegetables, often overlooked, are equally valuable. Sweet potatoes, yams, corn, and squash provide complex carbs with carotenoids, potassium, and resistant starches that support gut health. Populations in Okinawa, known for their exceptional longevity, relied heavily on purple sweet potatoes as a staple food. Incorporating roasted sweet potatoes or a hearty corn chowder into weekly meals is not just satisfying, it's an anti-aging strategy rooted in history and science. Balancing carbohydrate intake with proteins and healthy fats ensures optimal nutrient absorption and metabolic stability. A bowl of quinoa with roasted vegetables and olive oil, for example, combines carbs with fats and antioxidants, creating a meal that's both heart-protective and anti-inflammatory. Pairing beans with rice or lentils with yogurt provides complementary amino acids along with carb-based energy, a time-tested approach in many traditional cuisines. Timing also matters. Eating carbohydrate-rich foods earlier in the day and around periods of activity helps the body use them efficiently. Post-exercise meals with whole carbs replenish glycogen stores and accelerate muscle repair, protecting against age-related muscle loss. At dinner, choosing moderate portions of complex carbs with fiber can support restful sleep by encouraging serotonin and melatonin production. The key takeaway is not to fear carbs, but to integrate them intelligently. By centering meals around whole grains, legumes, fruits, and starchy vegetables, and pairing them with proteins and healthy fats, we can create an anti-aging dietary pattern that aligns with both human biology and centuries of culinary wisdom. These foods don't just provide energy, they protect the heart, feed the gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, and slow the cellular wear and tear that drives aging. In short, the right carbs, eaten in the right ways, are one of the most reliable companions for anyone who wants not just to live longer, but to live vibrantly.